Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, super, fine, excellent. Have you all completed homework? Okay, very good, children.
Hi. How are you?
Sharanya,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Did you complete the last problem?
Yes, sir. I completed last problem.
What answer you have got?
Sir, 9 kilometer per hour.
Okay, very good, very good. Divyasri,
Good morning, sir.
have you completed the last problem?
Yes, sir.
What answer you have got?
Same 9 kilometers I got, sir.
Okay, good. Amina,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Have you completed the last problem?
Yes, sir.
What answer you have got?
Sir, 9 kilometers I got, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, children, welcome to Sanvi Learning Services, school at your fingertips. So today we are going to discuss class 10 mathematics, chapter 5, quadratic equations. The aim of the topic is to know about quadratic equations and solving exercise 5.1, 5.2 and 5.4 problems. And the agenda is, today's agenda is solving word problems. Okay, solving word problems. And before entering into the topic, we all know that tables are very important in solving problems. So we have to learn the tables compulsory. So in the part of learning tables, today's table, Swati, today's table girl.
Sir, one table, sir, today. Up to 20 we completed, sir.
20 completed, no? So
Yes, sir.
already up to 11 table, you know very well. So now again 12 table. You read 12 table, the other students they will decide.
Okay, sir. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120.
Very good, Swati, excellent. Students, take inspiration from Swati. How she recited 12 table very perfectly without any mistakes. So all of you,
Yes, sir.
so follow Swati. Very good, Swati.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Not only 12 table, up to 20 table should be perfect. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now coming to the topic. See, I have given this last problem. Have homework. A motorboat heads upstream a distance of 24 kilometers in a river whose current is running at 3 kilometers per hour. The trip up and back takes 6 hours. Assuming that the motorboat maintained a constant speed, what was its speed in still water? Okay. So who have not done this problem? Once again, once you check your steps, children. Let the speed of the boat in still water. First of all, exercise 5.2, last problem. Exercise 5.2, last problem, children. Tenth problem. Let the speed of the boat. Let the speed of the boat in still water is equal to x kmph. Next, speed of the current given. Speed of the current is equal to 3 kmph. Okay, 3 kmph. Speed of the current is given 3 kmph. And distance traveled. How much distance it has traveled? 24 kilometers per hour, no? Distance traveled 24 kilometers. Distance traveled is equal to 24 kilometers. Speed in downstream is equal to x plus 3 kmph. Next, speed of the boat upstream x minus 3 kmph. Here you have to remember time formula. Time formula is distance by speed. Time formula distance by speed. Okay. So why? Because here time is mentioned. Okay, children. Now, time taken for time taken to travel, time taken to travel in downstream. Okay, time taken to travel in downstream. So this is T1. Okay. So time formula distance by speed, no? Distance traveled 24 kilometers. And speed of the boat in downstream, how much? X plus 3. Okay. The same way, time taken to travel in upstream. Time taken to travel in upstream. Okay. This is you take as T2. Okay. So time formula distance by speed. Distance traveled 24 kilometers. Speed in upstream. Speed in upstream, how much? X minus 3. Speed in upstream, x minus 3. Okay. Now, total time taken. Total time taken. How many hours? 6 hours. Total time taken 6 hours. Okay. Total time means T1 plus T2. That is equal to 6 hours. Okay. T1 is 24 by x plus 3 plus T2 24 by x minus 3, that is equal to 6. Here in the numerator 24 you take common. When you take common 24, here 1 will be 1 by x plus 3 plus here also 1 by x minus 3, that is equal to 6. 24 inside take LCM. LCM is x plus 3 into x minus 3 is the LCM. So x plus 3 cancel. 1 by x plus 3 into LCM is x plus 3 into x minus 3 plus next the second term is 1 by x minus 3 into LCM is x plus 3 into x minus 3. So here x plus 3 x plus 3 cancel, and here x minus 3 cancel, and here is equal to 6. Now what are the remaining values? Here x minus 3 will be 24 into 24 into x minus 3 will be plus x plus 3 will be by x plus 3 into x minus 3. That is equal to 6. So 24 into here plus 3 minus 3 cancel. 1x plus 1x 2x by x plus 3 into x minus 3. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b formula is a square minus b square. So by this formula, 24 into 2x by x square minus 3 square value 9. That is equal to 6. X square minus 9, you bring this side. 24 into 2x is equal to 6 into x square minus 9. 24 2s are 48. X is equal to, here multiply by 6. 6 into x square, 6x square minus 6 9s are 54. Okay. Now to make it a quadratic equation, this 48x you bring this side. 6x square minus 54. This 48x becomes minus 48x. So here what will be? 0. Okay. It means six x square minus 48x minus 54, that is equal to 0. If we write in order, we get 6x square minus 48x minus 54 is equal to 0. Okay. So from this we can take common 6 now to make the to reduce the equation. 6 we can take common. X square minus 6 8s are 48 x minus 6 9s are 54 is equal to 0. Now 6 send this side. X square minus 8x minus 9 is equal to, when the 6 send this side, become 0 by 6. X square minus 8x minus 9, that is equal to 0 by 6, nothing but 0. So now we got a perfect quadratic equation. Now factorize it. To factorize it, we have to multiply coefficient of x square into constant term. X square coefficient 1 is there, constant number 9 is there. 1 into 9 is equal to 9. To get middle number minus 8, we have the factors 1 into 9. And when we subtract 1 minus 9, we get minus 8. Okay. So the suitable factors of 9 to get middle number minus 8. Okay. So x square this minus 8x we write as, using this factors, plus 1x minus 9x and minus 9, that is equal to 0. So in first two terms x is common. If we take common x here, x plus 1 will be. In the next two terms minus symbol is there, and also we can take common 9 from this. So x minus symbol become plus, 9 1s are 9 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 take again common. The remaining factor is x minus 9, that is equal to 0. It means it is x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. So to get x values, here plus 1 and minus 9, you send this side. Plus 1 becomes minus 1, or here minus 9 becomes plus 9. But x cannot be negative. X cannot be negative. Why? Because X means we have taken speed of the boat in still water, no? So speed of the boat should not be negative. So therefore, positive value should take. X is equal to 9. So X is equal to 9. So X means what we have taken? Speed of the boat. Therefore, speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the boat in still water, that is equal to X. X is equal to 9 kmph. Speed of the boat in still water, that is X we have taken. X is equal to 9 kmph. Okay, children, have you all got like this solution? Okay, children, did you complete all? Okay, children, did you all completed? Have you all written? Okay. Now coming to the next topic, children. Write the heading quadratic formula. Next, write the heading quadratic formula. Put the heading quadratic formula. Okay. See, up till now, we have discussed finding the roots by factorization. Finding the roots by factorization, we have discussed. Now, by using quadratic formula, how to find the roots. Okay. Now, let us see here quadratic formula. So, what we have the formula? Let us see here. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? Let ax square bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Okay. Then the roots of this quadratic equation are x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the formula, children, to find the roots by formula. Okay. What is formula here? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is called quadratic formula. This is the quadratic formula. So in this formula, see here, first of all, A. In this formula, here A we have, no, here we have, here we have. So A is nothing but x square coefficient. In ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is A? A means x square coefficient, no? So A is nothing but x square coefficient. X square coefficient. A is nothing but x square coefficient. And next B is there. B. So what is B in quadratic equation? X coefficient, no? So B means x coefficient. B means x coefficient. And also in formula, C also is there. Okay, C also is there. So what is C in quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. C is the constant number. Okay, C means what? C means constant number. Okay, C means constant number. Okay, children. So this is called the quadratic formula. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a standard form of the quadratic equation. Okay. So to find the roots of this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this formula, a means x square coefficient. Okay, a means x square coefficient. B means x coefficient, and c means constant number. Okay. So by using this formula also, we can find the roots. By using this formula also, we can find the roots, children. Let us see how to find the roots. Now write one example, you can understand easily. Write one example. Question, right? Find the roots of x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Find the roots of x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 by using quadratic formula. Okay, children. So generally, we have discussed the finding roots by quadratic, by factorization. We have discussed given quadratic equation is, what is given quadratic equation? X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 is the given quadratic equation. Okay. So till now we have discussed finding the roots by factorization method, like this, multiplying coefficient of x square into constant number. Okay, we found the we found the roots of the given quadratic equation. But now by using quadratic formula, how to find the roots, now we are going to discuss, children. So all of you listen carefully. So first of all, take the given quadratic equation. The given quadratic equation is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 is the given quadratic equation. Now this quadratic equation compare with the quadratic standard form of the quadratic equation. compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. No? So the given quadratic equation you compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So when we compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, so now decide a is equal to, see children, in the standard form of the quadratic equation, x square coefficient a is there. X square coefficient a is there. In the given quadratic equation, x square coefficient nothing is there, no? Nothing is there means it is equal to 1. We can imagine 1, no? We can imagine 1. It means in the place of a, 1 is there. So a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Okay, a is equal to 1. Next, here b means x coefficient. B means x coefficient. In our given quadratic equation, what is x coefficient? -5. Okay, so -5. B is equal to -5. Next, c. C means constant number. What is in this? C is the constant number. In our given quadratic equation, constant number is 6. It means c is equal to 6. So like this, by comparing the standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have to find the ABC values. Okay. Otherwise, if you forgot the standard form of the quadratic equation, just you remember simply ABC values. ABC are nothing but a means x square coefficient, b means x coefficient, c means constant number. So in the given quadratic equation, x square coefficient 1. So a is equal to 1. Next, x coefficient -5. So b is equal to -5. Constant number 6. So c is equal to 6. Like this also you can remember. Okay. So now we have got ABC values. Now apply the quadratic formula and find the roots. What is quadratic formula? The quadratic formula is x is equal to -b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the quadratic formula, isn't it? X is equal to -b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Okay. So by using quadratic formula, now see here, now substitute the values. Here why we have written x is equal to means the given quadratic equation in the variable x. So the roots we will get in x. So x is equal to we have written. Now see, therefore, now substitute the values in this equation. X is equal to, first minus b is there. Okay, minus b is the first minus symbol you write as it is. B before b minus symbol we have no. So write minus symbol as it is. Okay. Next minus symbol after b is there. What is b value? B value we have -5 no. So b value write -5. Here see double minus symbols came. Okay. So put bracket for b value. Why? Because one minus symbol from formula, minus symbol have. So minus symbol we have written as this. Next to b value. B value what we have? -5. So -5. Double minus symbols is there. So should keep bracket. Next minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac. What b value? What is b value? -5 no. So here b square means -5 square, -5 whole square, minus 4ac, 4 into a value 1. What is a value? 1. C value 6. So b square minus 4ac. Okay, minus minus b plus or minus under root of b square. B square means minus 5 whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a value 1, c value 6. B square minus 4ac by 2a. By 2a is there now? By 2a. 2a means 2 into what is a value? 1. Okay, a value is 1. So now we have substituted the values in the formula. So when we substitute the values in the formula, x is equal to so here minus into minus of minus 5 is there no? So minus into minus plus, it means plus 5 will get here. Okay, we get here plus 5. Minus into minus plus 5, we get plus 5. Okay. Plus or minus root b square. It means here what we have under root minus 5 whole square is there now. What is the value of minus 5 whole square? Minus 5 whole square is plus 25. Okay, minus 5 whole square is plus 25. Why? Because minus 5 whole square means minus 5 is multiplied 2 times. Minus 5 whole square means minus 5 is multiplied 2 times. So when we multiply 2 times, minus into minus plus 5 into 5, 25. We get plus 25. So minus 5 whole square value is plus 25. Okay. Next. Minus. Next what we have? Minus 5 whole square value plus 25. Minus this multiply here 4 into 1. 4 1s are 4. 4 6 are 24. Okay. 24. 24. 4 6 are 24. By next down what we have? 2 into 1. 2 1s are 2. Down we get 2. Okay. Right. Now x is equal to 5 plus or minus root 25 minus 24 how much? 25 minus 24 is equal to 1. 25 minus 24 is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to 5 plus or minus 5 plus or minus. See here, what is the value of under root? What is the value of root 1? 1 only, no? Root 1 value is 1. Why? Because root 1 we write as, see, 1 we write as 1 square. 1 square value 1 into 1, 1 only, no? Square root get cancelled. That is equal to 1. So root 1 value is equal to 1. Root 1 value is equal to 1 by 2. So until we get the value in root symbol, we have to do this process. Okay, here root value we have got no. Now you separate them. Okay, 5 plus or minus 1 by 2 we got. It means it is x is equal to 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Okay, so 1 is 5 plus 1 by 2 will get, or one more root is x is equal to 5 minus 1 by 2. Why? Because here x is equal to, we have 5 plus or minus 1 by 2 is there, no? 5 plus or minus 1 by 2 means 1 is 5 plus 1 by 2 and another root is 5 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so 2 roots will come. X is equal to 1 is 5 plus 1 by 2, or one more root x is equal to 5 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so x is equal to here 5 plus 1 6 by 2, or x is equal to here 5 minus 1 4 by 2. Okay, so when we simplify this, here 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what we have got the roots? X is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. At last we have got x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. Okay. So therefore 3 and 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, children. 3 and 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, children. This is the way of finding roots by using quadratic formula. Okay, this is the way of finding roots by using quadratic formula. Up to now, we have discussed finding roots by factorization. Okay, we have discussed how to find the roots by factorization, but by using quadratic formula, this is the way of finding quadratic. This is the way of finding roots by using quadratic formula. Okay. Now, homework. Write your homework, children. Your homework is write your, all of you note your homework. Note your homework. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by using quadratic formula. By using quadratic formula. Okay. By using quadratic formula, you have to find the roots. The first question is, first question, x squared, sorry, 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Second question is x squared minus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. Third question is x squared minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. And fourth question is x squared plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. So these are the 4 quadratic equations, children. So you have to find the roots for these 4 quadratic equations by using quadratic formula, not by factorization. Already you know how to find the roots by factorization. By using quadratic formula, you have to find the roots of these 4 quadratic equations. Okay. So how we have discussed by using quadratic formula, like that you have to find. Okay. Now the time is up, children. So do you have any doubts in this? Finding roots by using quadratic formula? Okay. So all of you complete the homework, children. Time is up. Now thank you. Thank you all.
Sir.